Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, in this video, once again, I'm talking about the SafeMoon. What's the current price of SafeMoon? What's the price in so in the SafeMoon? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. You know what, my friends? In this video, the people ask me questions about SafeMoon that when will the price increase? Is the price increase in the June or not? So my friends, first of all we look the latest update of the SafeMoon, and after that we discuss the price changes of the SafeMoon. At this time the SafeMoon price is 0.00004 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the SafeMoon in this time in the market. And on the other side, my friends, the price changes is going wrong. The last 1 hour pricing is negative. From yesterday, you know what, the yesterday SafeMoon take a quick jump, but unfortunately after some passage of time the price again falls down, my friends, and the previous last 1 week pricing is also negative. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart for better understanding and for easy understanding. My friends, from the price chart of the SafeMoon, everyone can understand the moves of the SafeMoon. The last 1 month price chart, that is, and the price is completely fast, and you can see here, my friends, the price chart tells us that price of the SafeMoon is completely fast down from the previous last 1 month. And so how, my friends, if the price is completely fast down from the previous last 1 month, so how you can get a profit from a SafeMoon? Tell me in the comment box how you can get a profit. Absolutely, if you want profit, so you have to hold. Anyways, at this time my prediction about SafeMoon is going positive, and I believe personally that SafeMoon will take a pump in this June month. In this month SafeMoon have to take a jump. They need a jump, my friends. What do you think about SafeMoon? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about SafeMoon? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.